Here's a basic barbecue sauce recipe that you can make at home. Start with 1 cup of ketchup. Add 1 to 2 cups of brown sugar for sweetness. Pour in 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar for tanginess. Include 1/4 cup of water to balance the consistency. Mix in 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce for depth of flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard for a hint of spiciness. Sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper for a flavorful kick. In a medium saucepan, combine all the ingredients. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a simmer. Then reduce the heat to low to maintain a gentle simmer. Let the sauce cook for about 10-15 minutes, stirring occasionally. This will allow the flavors to meld, and the sauce will thicken slightly. Taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning to your preference. Remove the saucepan from the heat and let the barbecue sauce cool to room temperature.